Hi guys, how are you? I hope you are doing well. I am making this video after a long time. First of all, I would like to introduce myself. My name is Ravi Kapoor. I have been working for 17 years in LIC of India as a professional LIC consultant. I have a great passion for growing plants. I have created a small terrace garden on my rooftop. First of all, I want to say something about plants and gardening. Plants helps purify the air by absorbing carbon dioxide and releasing oxygen and improving indoor and outdoor air quality. Plants can reduce our stress and depression. Gardening is a physical exercise which reduces our extra calories. I have grown many types of plants by seeds. I have bought many plants from nursery. I will show my terrace garden. You like my terrace garden? Please comments, share. Very beautiful plant. This is a flower plant. Its name is Harshingar plant. This is Gandhraj plant. Lemon plant. And this is my guava plant. And near mango plant. This is my second guava plant. This is Madhumalti vine, lychee plant. This is my third guava plant. And second mango plant. This mango plant name is all time plant. And flower plant marigold. And some vegetarian plant name is brinjal plant.